It started already. Anyways, hello. I'll be playing. What's it called again? Blocks Left. Okay. As you can see, I've been practicing a bit behind the what? What? BTS. I've been practicing BTS. Is it called BTS? What? Okay, wait. Google. I was just on. Okay. I was crashing out during this game, so I called all these people that created Hungry Studio bombs. Cause okay, this okay, I'm sorry. BTS. Not that. No one cares about this. Why would anybody what is B? No one cares about BTS. I mean BTS. Meaning. There. BTS meaning. Why are you taking long? Oh, come on. That's not what I'm looking for. Bulletproof Boy Scouts. Where does the T come in? What is to proof? What's to proof? What is a bullet-proof Boy Scouts? Shouldn't it be BBS? Beyond the scene. So okay, I see it comes beyond the scenes. So what? BTS, not the group. Let's just write not the weird band. No, the weird band. Oh my days, this Wi-Fi. Beyond the Sea. Oh, it's called Beyond the Scenes. Oh, wait, what? Oh, Behind the Scenes. That's what BTS stands for from what I was trying to actually say. What? Reddit. What is this question? Anyways, let's get back to this. Why do I have to restart? Why do I have to restart? Come on. Oh my days! Let me faster. Should we do adventure or classic? I'll just try classic. Why do I only have Luna? Why no? No! Why? It's disgusting. Why do I only have wet pee? Oh my days. Keep quiet. Why do Megan? Please don't say that I am busy. And that's bad. Ugh. Yeah, I'll need to change my recording place since very what? Irritable. Okay, I might lock my recording space now. I'll just guard the door. Let's go. Buddy boom. Boom boom buddy boom 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 buddy boom. Boom boom buddy boom. What? Combo. Quando rondo combo bombo. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I wanted to say. I just saw it so hard on the BTS what's it called? BTS BTS Blocks Blast is Blocks blast. Oh, come on. BTS blast, block blast, blocks roots. What? Blocks. Oh my god! Why is there ad block blast recordings which I had to remove, which I had to stop since like I got interrupted just like I did a few minutes ago. This is why I hate this game. Whoever created this game is a bum, cause how am I supposed to get in wait, none of these fit! I never thought one move could make a man's downfall. Ooh yay. Party boom. Stay party boom. All I need is a gaffer. All I need is a chauffeur. All I need is a paffer. He's a pastor. I just created my own song. I don't know what I'm singing. I don't know what I'll call it. You know, guys, I might start making some like Luke David-ish skits. Like almost similar to the way he makes content, but like not so similar. Like Ryan D. Lombard kind of thing. Kind of that way. Oh my days! I've just changed recording spaces since I've been infiltrated about how many times now? 2 times now. So now I need to like I might need to record this video too. This is the last straw. I always hate these pieces. What am I supposed to do there? What that was what is that? Leave me alone. Yeah, I am not beating my all-time best score here. Stay party boom. It's oh no. I hate placing blocks up here. I like despise it. Who created this game is causing me some depression. I'm joking. This is not real depression. And also I really shouldn't have said that, I guess. Anyways, this new recording setup is making my voice recording space is making my voice like sound a bit sketchy, like I don't know. Anyways, boom, 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 let's go. Oh my days, let's go. It's all about the tactics. It's all about the tactics. Oh my days, my room. Well, my recording place is about to be infiltrated one more time. I swear, this is the last straw. If my sister manages to break in, I swear, I will end it off here. Oh yes. Stay party boom. Stay party boom. Yes! Oh, it's still rushing in, baby. Oh, yeah, come on. I absolutely despise placing blocks down here. It is my worst enemy. Some of these blocks I need, right? They are very rare. like for instance, a 2 squared block and a 1 square, and that we have like what is it? Diagonal? What? Diagonal? I might need to go to WhatsApp just to remember what you're talking about. My this game sounds it might be a later. It might be a video. I know in my first ever video I said I was going to what you call it? I was going to I'm like I should record 2 views per day. Or record 2 videos. Not like this I had to. Time I record is not ideal for what I promised. And also, I can exchange the time I record, but I will continue getting bothered by friends asking me to come outside. My sister, whatchamacallit, my sister barging into my recording space. Sometimes my recording space is locked for privacy when the people who watch over my recording space are not there. So, yeah. Life is life. I wonder how I went to life is life. Wonder how I went from talking about why I can't record 2 videos per day, like I promised, to just saying life is life. Like, how does that work? Este boom. Oh, stay. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, that piece wasn't even supposed to fit, but I just want to say, whoever created this game is the smartest person on earth. Well, I learned that they were men. They are men, not were. Because you can't change your gender. Well, you can artificially, but do not do. Oh, come on, where am I supposed? Oh, come on, why do you have to place in the worst places possible? Ooh, yay! Ooh la la! What was I talking about again? And also, where did I leave off when I was talking about whatever I was talking about? I don't know. So I'm just gonna leave that conversation that I was talking about right there. Looks like I'm on fake fire since like I'm hardly anywhere close to my all-time. Ah, come on. I need some 1 blockers. Not that. No, 1 block. 1 piece. Oh, no. 1 piece. Some One Piece fans gonna start, what? Some One Piece fans are gonna... What was I trying to say? I am not the rememberful type person. Type of rememberful. Is that a word? Google. Oh, come on. Google. I was just there. Oh, come on. Why am I going to YouTube? I don't need YouTube right now. Wasn't I just on Google? Anyways, is rememberful a word? Is rememberful a word? Let's see. What is rememberable? No, rememberful is not a standard English word. While it has been proposed as a new word, what about the Oxford Dictionary? Why do we need the Merriam-Webster or the Collins Dictionary? What about the GOAT of dictionaries, the Oxford Dictionary. You call these guys Merriam-Webster and Collins dictionary, major dictionaries, but we all know which one's the real. Someone who is good at remembering is not forget. Like I don't know that. Psst. Wait, the sound. Oh come on! Why do I have to restart? No, this is the last string. I might end it off at here. I just might. What's this? Ooh. I just might. Hungry Studio, you gotta fix this. You have to make. Oh, what? What did I try and say? You have to make what? Yeah, like I said, I'm not the rememberful type person. I am very forgetful. I could explain why I'm forgetful right now, but I'm too lazy to talk about that. Where can my pieces slide in? That piece can't go anywhere. Oh yay! Thank you for opening the dictionary. This guy cannot go anywhere. I do not see. Oh yay! We need to break some pieces. Squat. Is it squat or stat? ASAP. Yeah. We need to break some pieces. ASAP. What does that like emoji mean? What does it mean? Wait, is it even an emoji? Come on! Should I end it? Oh, Timu! I swear if I get one more after this, I will end the video at there. Oh, come on. Yes. Papa. And if I make a mistake, I will end the video. I am not the type of person to replay so many times because I don't like working. Well, except for YouTube. I love that. I love working as a YouTuber. This isn't really a job since I don't make money from it. Well, I might. In like a billion years since I don't know. I'm not that big of a YouTuber, so I don't really think YouTube are gonna monetize me, give me money and stuff like that. Since I've heard of like YouTubers with thousands of subscribers getting what's it called? Decline for verification. Timu, leave me alone. And also, I said if I get one more from Timu or one more ad, I will end it right there. And goodbye.